fall! The landlord of our downfall!
Manifest!
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 You went ahead praying for me to die? Oh, Biozo.
Oga landlord, no be so now, eh? No be like that. See, I know say that prayer, they very powerful. But no be for you. Now for landlord of downfall.
What difference does it make? Oh, Biozo, I am the landlord of this place. Okay, let's assume that you are a landlord of a place. And such a prayer is going on in the night. What will be your reaction, Obiozo?
Oga landlord, we no pray make you die now, eh? No be like that.
Listen to me. I have warned you, Obiozo. Even I warned you right from the day one I rented this place to you, that never you accommodate more than 2 persons in this very room. And now I am seeing battalion in this room. Obiozo, I want you to eject these people you are harboring here, or else I will be forced to eject you.
Never reach. Don't you better maybe go there? How to talk this kind of thing now? How to talk?
Just this one where you do first like person where they prepare to see vision. Wetin happen?
No work today. Work day.
Wetin can happen now?
I don't know how I go talk am. This is serious.
Wetin happen? Whatever it is, at least you don't already start show says problem day. So what is it?
Na that prayer.
Very powerful.
Our prayer will work.
Yeah.
You go work. If you dey pray prayer, will work. You didn't know now. You go work.
And na that prayer, now my landlord call me now. He want me say make I tell una, make una back out. What? You go use force. Back all of us come out.
Yeah.
My native daughter.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
I don't go wait till me praise the Lord. I tell you, say my landlord come, he say make all of us pack out. You dey here, they say praise the Lord.
For answering our prayers.
How we take answer am?
This is God speaking to us, telling us we should move to the next level. That's it. Yeah. I wish you people can look at this from the spiritual angle and know that the Lord wants to lead us to a higher place. The promised land.
Which promised land?
This is the Lord's doing.
I say which promised land? No be the same promised land where you talk for that night. Carry me go club. Result about Piam. Your poor drivers come out for house. No Piam. Come. You know as I think I think I say, if now I get this job, the man begin pay me money. I go take and open one big transport business, put them for road, all of them go they run. They will bring me money then. I'll become big man.
You don't get high fever, I think.
How?
You never chop, now motor business you want. Chair.
Haga.
Well done,
sir.
Are you the one that's applying for the position of gate man?
I for like apply for another thing. Nothing I know if you do. I don't know if any other position they make you just put me. All this kind assistant landlord. But if now the gate man work there, I can just manage them like that. Not mean anything.
So.
All right. Go down to the gate. I'll be coming along for your own exams.
Exam?
Exam? Where you bring me?
I don't know so they go take exam. Me, I don't even read.
No, I don't want to write exam. Which kind of exam now? If I want apply for work where they write exam, I don't go all this federal secretariat or Ministry of Finance.
Oh.
Which kind gate man work I want begin write exam? Oga, I beg. I don't want to write exam.
Okay, get down to the gate.
You not going to explain the exam follow for the work?
Yeah.
Hi. See, maybe I not read well. I don't know so go write exam. I don't want to write exam now by force. You never even give me the work. You don't order me up and down. See, I don't know the kind of work where you come bring person come find. I dey wait for you for that place. I know they write any exam. Which kind of exam? Where do you know where you want to write?
You are the driver, eh?
Nah, me be driver.
Okay. Go and repark that car. I want to test your ability.
Make I repark the car.
You have 5 minutes.
5 minutes to repark car. You call it 5 minutes to repark car. The whole 5 minutes to repark only car. Okay? If I not repark this thing in 2 minutes, make we bet am. Bet money now.
Are you stupid? You want to tell me you are a gambler?
Gambler.
I know you have not come to gamble in my house.
No, okay. Money not to ginger me. You know say anything where money dey, I swear, if na 4 minutes, 1 minute I don't do am. I don't do am. See am now?
Your time starts now.
Take am, just wait. I swear, within 2 minutes, I don't repark this car.
See all this way they run up and down. I'll leave you. Not there for all those things.
That's excellent!
Sorry, sir. No mess. Now happiness. Now say it because I show you what it is. That text I can
You
show
already
you.
have the job.
Thank you. God go bless you. Thank you, sir. Go I want the key.
Yes, let's go behind, take water from the back there. Watch it.
Okay, sir. God go bless you. You know my past 2 minutes are the case.
Yes,
I no one right.
Mr. Man, what do you say is your name?
Wokedi.
Yes, Nwokede. As a qualified gate man, what do you do when somebody comes looking for me?
Chairman Novice, now this won't be the exam.
Answer my question.
Why I no even get sense? I forgive me. Everything I thought I decrease, I no get sense. I think you know as I see you for my mind, this say you go school. So now the exam be this. Rubbish. Very simple. As I did this gate, anybody carry your yourself come. You know those kind of people will not get surname. Say that they look for you. Now there go die put because I'm not gonna let her enter here. But if a person will get surname, straight ahead, even if they sleep, I'll tell them to go wake you. Straight.
How do you mean somebody without a surname. Everybody has surname. So, you want to tell me you throw my gate open to everybody?
Now what do you think? Everybody, all these people wait for years. You just said they get surname. Rubbish. Who give them surname? See, all those kind names like Jerome, Paulinus, James, God don't help those people because he mix surname join their name. So all those kind of people, nothing. Once they reach here, ahead, they'll go inside. But you see all those kind, Jim Comye, Peter, Paul, Roof, rubbish names. If they lie, maybe they die. I hope your papa or your man know they be all those kind of names because they're not going to enter here. Nothing will be made to enter. I don't know so the exam be this. For my mind, I can't think and say I want it right.
Anyway,
thank you, sir.
I think you need re-examination.
Another one.
You need re-examination. I will come back to you later.
Oh, guy, if na style you want to kidnap him, make just talk. Which kind exam I dey write? What do I want to do? No. Hey James. Hey James. Never happy oh. I dey suspect this work oh.
Oga, good afternoon, sir.
Ejim.
You don't come out?
Yes. I want to commend you for the work you've been doing so far. For the past 3 months, you've done wonderfully well.
Oga, don't mention. Don't mention. As you see me so, now God they do the work, no be me. Now God. Me, my mama born me born driver. I swear. I swear. And you say you dey appreciate all the work when I done they do since.
Yes, I do appreciate.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, have you been to Delta State before?
Delta? It depends. Now Asaba you dey talk?
Not just Asaba. Nevertheless, Asaba is the capital city of Delta State. Delta State University in Abraka. I want you to go and bring back my daughter from the school.
Okay.
Yes.
Your daughter?
Yes.
Hey! You mean say your daughter dey university? Congratulations! It's not dey easy at all. It's not dey easy. University, you know that person that they study book.
My daughter has just finished her final year examinations and is waiting for her call-up paper for youth service.
Youth service?
So she'll be waiting in the school. Go and bring her.
Youth service? No be copper?
That's it. How you called?
So youth service na copper now? True. For my life, my prayers be say, make my pikin go use copper. I swear. True to God.
Anyway, Ejim, it's hard work. Huh? The way you are working, I know you can make it in life. You will make it.
I go make her.
Now, back to business. I want you to go and bring her back. Don't overspeed. Huh? She is my only daughter. In fact, my only child. Be very careful.
I gotta be careful. I got for your mind. For your own mind, direct mind. How many hours you won't give me make I take go Abraka come back?
I'm not talking about time. I won't give you time. There could be traffic jam on the road. There could be unforeseen circumstances here and there. So you just go safely and bring her back safely. That's my concern. That's all.
Okay. Okay, when you want make her go, no problem.
Now, today, just right away.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, okay. No vex. You know, say people say I too they talk, I they ask stupid question, but I get sense. As you see me, so I grab sense, too much sense. This your picking where you they talk now. Where you go sit down? Now for front, I be now for back.
Ejinko, and what's your problem? Go and get this girl back from school. She's been waiting.
Why are they ask me say you know say now you be oga, now you supposed to sit down for back. But if I reach that place, now she go become oga, and I go want make she sit down for back. That's why they ask.
That's your own business where she sits. Go and bring her back and be very careful.
Okay, sir. Hey! Oh, I'm not going to open gate. I beg, open gate before you begin wash face. Open gate fast.
Where Oga?
Okay, they come. I said make you open gate, they ask for Oga.
So Oga no dey motor, you say make I open gate.
Open gate for me! Now me they tell you make you open gate.
Your hand cut?
Okay. Now me they ask you my hand cut.
I'll punish you.
Make them punish me! No, okay, make them punish me! Okay, you see him?
What's happening there? Wicked!
No open, no open.
You say make them punish me, okay? No, come, you say make them punish me.
Wicked! Open the gate for him!
See this thing. You know the inside motor, you say make I come open gate. What do be your work?
I mean, they call this thing.
Oga, how many Oga I get for this house? How many Oga I get? You know the motor, you wait get this.
Okay, talk to you.
No, Wicked!
No, you say make I go carry
Okay, we open that gate for him and stop being stupid.
Guy, you dey do Pasha? Let's see, wait, me and how many
Okay, don't worry. If I don't come back for this place, and you know what did happen? Say you know why this guy they mess me up. You know why this guy don't want to open gate because me and the send them. Now you go sir. It was say you tell her who be a guy for this place. This idiot no go open mouth where open mouth. I swear. If I don't show you who I be for this place, you go come in Pascal. Nonsense.
This one they do like person wey swallow snake. If that hand use mistake touch me, call clap out for your face, idiot.
What can you see? No, what can you come? Let me look at the head of one flap. If you say okay, if I don't show you,
You dey watch? Sir?
It's okay, go.
okay, no worry. Now me I don't go do am. No worry for this place. Now me and you go do am.
Make that hand not touch me as they talk so.
No vex. No worry. I know why you dey do this thing. It does not talk who be who for this place. You no go put mouth dey talk to them anyhow. I go counteract you. Now me one blow. Now me one fly, idiot. Go punish you. They will punish you. Idiot, I'm about you on my mind. No one, yo.
Oga, shey you go your meeting, abi? No problem. You go come back here, come. In short, no problem. Now hear me and you. No wait. Never talk on it, Oga dey support you.
Madam.
Yes.
Madam, I beg. You get something like mineral or Coke?
I get.
Which one will you get? Coke or mineral?
I get Coke.
You get Coke.
And mineral macasera.
You got lakasara, you got Coke.
Yeah.
Okay, give me Coke. Coke. You got gala?
Biscuits.
Biscuit. Biscuit. Which type of biscuit?
Digestive plus.
Digestive.
No.
Okay. Plus.
Yeah.
Okay, give me digestive minus. Say you go take cheap, Abi.
Yeah.
Okay. How much is this? This one, how much? 15 naira. You don't get 20 naira. No 20 naira. Okay. Give me, like I said, how much?
100 naira.
A Coke, now how much?
100.
100. Give me Coke.
How many?
One biscuit. Madam, now one biscuit.
Okay. So this one is okay.
Okay, this one, okay, Abi. Okay. Take. Bring change, bring change. Bring Coke or like I said. Bye. Coke. Coke.
You need straw.
Coke.
Straw.
No. My name?
Yeah.
Okay. My name na Ejimkoni. Who are holding on?
That's really lovely. I think I'll shorten your name to Eji. I hope you don't mind.
No, mind. You go long am. Because if you no long am, the meaning go just come out. My name no long now. What of people where they answer Onwa Abuhuchuku? Onowa Abuhuchuku. That one na long name. That one long past my own now. My name no long. That one long.
You're a very funny guy.
That's it.
So how long have you been with that?
I don't date 3 months. And I get to one friend when I get where they work for your papa too as a gate man.
Is he as funny as you are?
Funny. Make I tell you that one na mugu. Proper mugu. You know, sir. You don't get simple sense.
And he's your friend.
No, by mistake. Na devil na bring us together. True. I'm not gonna tell you lie. At times I dey regret am. Say why God go punish me? Bring me that type of person together for one house. I'm not gonna tell you lie. True. Hey, this world no good though. E no good. Person wey you wan punish, you go punish well.
How is it going?
Nothing when I never try you. This motor no green move at all. No even check body.
I'm trying to call my dad.
Ah. Okay, make I still see. I don't know what thing I could do. I don't touch everywhere.
Hello?
Daddy. The car still won't start.
My God. I don't just understand. I can't understand. I personally took that car to the mechanic myself. See, tell Jim Konye to do something, eh? Let him check everything, the wires.
I swear, this guy has done everything. I mean, more than the mechanic could.
Did he check the injector? Very well. Okay, what about the plugs?
Daddy, he checked all that. It still won't start. I mean, I don't think that's the problem. And frankly, this place is becoming scary. I mean, being here by the roadside and it's getting late. Yes.
In that case, look around for a good hotel and fix yourself, huh? I think you still have some money with you.
I still have like 30,000 with me.
Good. Look for a very fine hotel and pay for a suite for yourself and then a smaller room for the driver, okay? The problem is now, we are going to fix it, okay? I'll call you back in the next 20 minutes. Do that fast.
We'll look for somewhere. A hotel close by to sleep.
I think that one go better. What thing we go do? We go leave this motor here.
Do you want to carry it on your head? I didn't think so.
No vex. I take God beg you. Make you no try am again. Because now my knife I won't bring out so. Na chuka for chuku you.
You have a knife in the car?
I dey carry knife anywhere when I go. Now I just want collect that time.
Okay, you know what?
You never sleep.
This place is really boring. And instead of just lying down there looking at the ceiling, I'm thinking I should just go to the club and boogie the night away. I kind of got an info. There's a happening club around the corner. So you go out, get us a cab, and we'll bounce to the club.
Cap. Mother, you know say night don't come. I don't know where I go begin waka go find cap with buy.
I mean cab, taxi.
A taxi? Madam, you know we illiterates. We don't sabi which one be cap and which one be taxi.
You're the only illiterate I know that will say that out loud.
Na true, madam. But club, oh, you know, say as I dey so, I never go club since they born me. I swear.
For real?
For real. For real.
It will be my honor to be the first person to take you to the club.
Okay.
And show you some moves. Oh yeah, the way we roll.
And so when we go club, I go stay outside. You go go inside.
No, I'm actually looking at the uniform. Thankfully, there is some sort of boutique inside. I'm sure we can find something to wear because you're not staying outside. Right inside with me.
Ah.
Yeah, maybe I'll teach you some few steps and all that.
When we go, I'll go just boutique go give me clothes. Dash.
Oh, very funny.
Anyway, what of your papa?
Is my dad here?
I don't see him.
And is anyone going to tell him we went to a club?
No, I don't think so.
I didn't think so too. So, go get the cab and let's dance.
You know, I carry my shoe here. My shoe there.
Just go get the cab.
Okay.
Okay?
No be trouble, this woman won't put me so. If him papa take you here, say me I go club with him pikin. Now that be that now. I been a sack style, they won't take sack me. Anyway, make her go. Make her go back. Dude, bros.
Oga,
You dey work?
na so na.
Thank you.
Well done, sir.
I beg, do everything well.
No
Beg.
problem.
I don't want to make this car get wahala once he enter road.
No wahala, no wahala.
Yeah, okay. I trust you. Na person recommend you. You know, say money hard to get. So do everything well. The thing will remain from my hand to give you now 5,000. 5,000 naira. You hear am?
Yes, 5,000.
Good.
But the panabita they wait for you, make him finish work on them.
Wetin be the panel beating work wey dey for dis guy again? I say make you change the plug or change this plug. Finish. I come and carry and the person wey go drive this car don dey ready. You dey tell me panel beating.
No problem.
Wetin remain for this motor, you know, na the papers.
That one dey.
Once I come give you the 5,000, I carry the whole paper give me.
No problem.
I carry am waka.
Oga, you no get wahala.
You dey hear am?
No wahala.
Make I go carry my oga pikin go market.
Okay, sir.
I just say make I branch give you this one.
Okay, sir. All right, sir.
Do quick.
Bye-bye, no wahala.
Don't let me waste money for nothing.
All right.
Sorry, I beg. Say I no waste time.
No. Was that your brother?
I no be my brother. Na motor una dey pay for since before I started to work with your papa. Now I go give them small money.
Wow. What kind of car?
I no the car. Na bus. Bus wey I wan put for road make e dey get me money make I take the join with one way your papa dey pay me. That's right.
Wow.
Yes.
You are really unassuming. I mean, you're a man with a vision.
Vision. No, I no get vision. I no be big man. Na big pastors then I don dey get vision. I no get money wey I take buy vision. Wetin? Wetin dey do you? You dey sick? Hey! Huh? Make I carry you go hospital. You no wan go hospital? You fine? You no go wan go hospital? Okay.
Shut up your mouth. Let this idiot take you to his house. Since this whole place is no longer comfortable for you.
Okay, I thank God, baby. I beg. You don't know them. Anybody who devil be a campaign manager must lose election. Even if he win, God to go tell her make him waka.
Devil,
I beg you. I beg you.
You are now going to see the real devil. Just wait for me here. You will see the real devil now. You will see that. Wait for me. Shut up! What is that? The beg who?
What's your own? What?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Now, leave me here! Get out! Go! Move this.
Thank you, sir. Nonsense. So what position will I give you?
Carry it and move all of you. Get out! Leave my house, all of you.
Come on, sir. What they go give us the belly? Or
I said leave!
Oga, come.
Walk it, where are you going to? Walk it, come back here. Where is it going to? Come back. Oh, yeah. Follow the best of the same fellow. Follow them!
I know for
there will be blood letting here now.
No, be me give a belly. I say move.
Walk it, move!
Ha.
I say move.
Sorry,
all of you. Get out of my house.
No offense, no. Oga, I just newly cook this.
Carry this in.
No, be me get go carry with you. My old lady, I never carry.
Carry this out!
Don't go there. Don't just start. You hear me? Don't just start.
Start waiting.
I was the one that was drunk. He was not drunk.
Mommy give you drink.
I beg you.
Mommy give you drink.
You know your condition. You know.
You guys are bring old stories.
No.
We are talking about now.
No, Ada.
See ya.
If you know mommy, I give you one slap where you no go forget for your life. Just shut up now.
A slap.
You like that? What did they talk? You won't blame Ada? They give you motor to go drive. The next thing you go give person belle. Then you get mouth to the blame am.
Na me dey talk to.
Who you be?
No, who crazy? No. You look me for face finish. Na me you dey talk to.
Who you be?
No, na me dey talk to.
Who you be?
Wait.
Who you be? If I was you, the
You
man.
should not just
My
start.
prayer was
Let us go and look for house.
No worry. As I be wetin dey happen.
You are mad.
Say I don pay my money for you finish.
Leave my house, madam. Leave my house. Go back to the village.
Hey.
Yes. Go back to the village and stay there. Township is not meant for poor and wretched people. Hey. Go away.
Oh. Ezewanyi, please. Ezewanyi, please now. Get sorry heart for me. All the suffer when they suffer because of this, my boy. Please, Ezewanyi.
There are people of his age in the village. Take him to the village.
Hey, Ezewanyi, please.
We have people
please.
like him in the village.
Get
Take
sorry
him to the
heart
village.
for me now.
No.
Get sorry heart for me. Oh.
Sorry heart for my money.
Get sorry heart for me.
No.
Oh. Hey, Ezewanyi. Oh, please, Ezewanyi.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. landlord, oh. Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala food for your house, oh. Madam Landlord, oh. Mrs. Landlady. No be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, oh. We dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, oh. Madam, oh. Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala food for your house, oh. Madam, this your house so fine. The wahala be say, now one toilet to get to.
If you people look around, you'll see how neat my compound is. But me looking at you people, I have the opinion that things might change.
Madam, no look us with that type of eye. As you see us so, we'll be millennium. We'll be millennium if you see us tomorrow. Now designers. Designer cloth, designer food, designer water, designer everything, even shoe will match for grand designer.
Madam Noves, I beg. Where the house? You never carry us go the compound.
The house?
Yeah, where it is?
It's in heaven.
Ah, okay. Because I know you not to be here. It's not possible. So now here now we come find house.
We'll get house first.
Anyway, how many people are you intending to be in a room? Because I don't allow more than 2 people in one room.
Actually, it's the 3 of us.
No worry, madam. No, be 3 of us. Now me and my wife. This one na conductor, ordinary conductor. You could sleep inside motor.
No need now. What do you do for inside motor? I be person. I go to sleep under the bridge. Thunder fire you.
Thunder fire you.
Who go to sleep on motor? No. You know who be conductor? Now what did you go? They go tell people say I be conductor. Okay. Sit down. Who go to sleep on motor? What are you?
Now me the doctor.
Who go to sleep on motor? Say you man.
No,
No, cover your face.
Don't even say you want slap me. Now left hand. Now you want to slap me.
I respect you. Say I use left. If not, I'm back like this. Idiot.
Don't start this again.
You won't fight me. No, you won't fight me.
You demand.
Okay, wait. Make we settle this one first. I swear. If I not show you, call me Pascal.
No problem. Make the time reach.
Okay. Madam, just tell us how much you go pay. No worry. So I don't carry you come out. No, I don't carry you come out. So now me go get insult. Madam, talk.
Okay. Anyway, we have 2 toilets in this house and 2 bathrooms. We have rules governing people here because there are so many people. So we expect you to buy 2 different kinds of disinfectant and detergent.
No problem.
So that you can always wash the toilet and the bathroom after every use.
No problem. No problem.
Anyone when they talk, you can say no problem. But no verse, I beg. You mean every after piece wash, after sheet wash.
It's for your own good now. There are so many people, so you have to.
This woman, now say you want to employ us so they wash her toilet. So
which thing they worry you? If I hear cool down. Waiting. Madam, tell us how much we will go pay.
One this conductor. Oh, you people even came with your property.
Yes, we'll come.
What if I refuse? What will happen?
If you refuse, no worry, no problem. Leave that one for we and God. You see that motor on top of him? That thing where they and there will be sleep. Until God give us our own house.
You and who? Seriously, is that why you people are always at it?
You don't mind now?
You don't see what they do?
Talking to you two. I'm talking to the both of you.
I'm only considering you people because of this pregnant woman.
Now make you lay there they talk, idiot. They talk. After all, now you make the man pursue us for a house.
Stop!
Because I didn't leave you.
You say who make?
No, you make a drive us over for a house. Huh? You.
Why are you starting that again? What is wrong with you?
You don't think I went in the talk?
Madam, I beg, everything where I talk before, forgive me. My head, I don't get sense. Forgive me. You hear? No, but please, madam, you get daughter?
Yes, I have a daughter.
You get daughter?
I have a daughter.
No give us house. No give us house.
Why?
Not try am, no give us house. As we do like this now, if you pick up police, may drive us, may they arrest us. See, you see this thing? Former landlord daughter, I be this.
Oh, jealousy!
If you get daughter, don't try am.
Jealousy! Oh,
we supposed to work together.
Say ho! go you into the world and multiply. Now be this is where you see so.
I don't blame you.
You hear the quotation?
Which quotation?
Now your daughter want to multiply.
Not be my wife.
Everywhere. Which wife? Backyard wife. Backyard wife. You don't know how to make her your wife?
How they make her my wife?
First way Papa don't drive.
How they? No worry.
Okay,
Madam, leave am. Me and I go settle.
No give us house.
Go sit down. Idiot. Now my wife is the talk to.
Don't punish.
They talk to my wife.
Make we expose ourselves.
Madam, make we expose. Tell me how much we will go pay.
It's okay.
No worry. Na me and am. Person where I train. No. Since when Papa and Mama throw one for road.
Who? You don't have Papa?
Okay now.
No worry.
You don't have yourself? You don't go die well. Who you train?
Okay. Okay.
How much?
The rent na 5,000 naira a month and the agency fee 1,000 naira. The NEPA bill, the person that is in charge of NEPA bill will come and tell you how much you pay.
5,000 rent, no problem. But the one way they talk about agency fee, now we carry ourselves come here. We see signboard where you put for road, now we come. So what do they talk about agency? And the thing when you talk agreement, we agree. As for NEPA, I don't know what they talk about NEPA.
Which NEPA? We don't enter the house. I been at your generator, we take the talk.
Oh.
Anyway, if you have accepted my condition, but be sure that the toilet that is two, one belongs to me, one toilet and one bath belong to me.
One for you. You said not 2 days now.
Tenants have one and one toilet and one bathroom. I will have
all these 162 rooms, one toilet. You one. Hey! Fear God. Madam, fear God. Wickedness no good. Don't shut up.
Not before bush you dey shit.
You want to collect disease?
Wetin you dey talk?
See, manners dey shout for me o.
Don't touch me, leave me alone.
Better.
No, madam, see. If they leave you, go slap me.
If you
They never leave me, I don't slap you. They talk if they leave me. What? If na fight, don't show ourselves for here now.
if you are
No.
if you are ready to pay the rent, you call me.
Madam,
ready to
that na another matter. Go fight first.
No worry.
You say wetin?
You say make me and you fight.
Come, so wetin?
Come outside.
No,
Come on, no, come.
I dey fear you.
Yeah, come. If I don't kill you, they come. Come outside.
You wan fight?
Come outside.
Idiot. See, I know wetin I dey talk o. Don't give us house o.
You will know. You think they take me play?
See as he keep face like Satan.
Accept
Me
to give
nonsense.
that room because of
Come now.
See face.
How did you manage to get into the house of these people? This sort of people.
Don't miss a long story.
I know. The story is always long.
You have Satan. If I what is Satan? What is this? Let me.
The money they complete.
Complete. I love you, wayo person. Since my life, I never do wayo before.
I don't know whether I don't hear say for this compound we get rules and regulations, and anybody wey go live here must obey those rules and regulations. If you no obey, na you go take your eye see am o. We no dey find trouble.
No wahala, no problem. No problem. You see law. No be today we begin hear rules. We don dey hear rules since from David. Bam! The thing go to Abraham. Abraham carry the rule, give Esau. Esau begin carry, begin waka like that.
No be David carry and give Abraham. Abraham carry and give them.
Okay, anybody wey carry give.
You don't begin the fail o, you never start.
No vex. Anybody wey carry give am, no be my problem. But I know say rule enter reach Moses hand. Moses carry rule, hold am. Bam! Then everybody come know say yes, rule na rule. But as I dey come, I don investigate. They say your own law pass that of 7 book of Moses. I hear.
You say una here.
No, I say I don investigate.
Okay, you hear about me before you begin come. Wetin gonna carry you come as you don hear about me?
My head strong. Nothing fit break am. You be you. Abeg go sit down. Love it today. No, I mean say you know say me and you we go match.
As you see me, I'm a simple woman by nature.
Tell me.
I no dey look for trouble. Yeah. But if you say you want trouble, and you go take your eye see am o, and you go take your head carry am. Whether you get 2 heads, I don't know. I can give you back your money now so that.
No, no give me. No, this is an amount of sleep.
Your mouth. Talk about it.
You be. Okay, Now you be landlady. Now you get this house now. Now you be landlady. Now you be landlady. I know if you talk at the Chris. At the Chris. You see for obey. Leave that one for me. I don't obey. So they obey me.
You don't do. My own be say, Ijikwego, Iyongwongwo.
That music, I dey hear am. I just say go around the world.
Keep quiet.
I don't feel like for you now.
Anyway, now you Sabisha. My own be say, no look for my trouble. Oh. If you want leave for my compound, as you don't hear about me finish, I don't know what to tell you again. No look for trouble for here. Oh. As you don't ask her about me, they don't tell you. My rules must be obeyed.
Hey, you got one woman when they hear when my friend will read the book tell me say in the title of the book now she must be obeyed.
Now maybe she must be obeyed.
No you.
Be like say you dey mad small.
No, I'm not mad. Na craze are the craze.
Craze and madness are the same thing.
Since you say that the same thing, I don't take anyone. I don't take anyone. Craze or madness, I don't take.
Now me go cure you. Now me be doctor for crazy people.
I need doctor. I need doctor. Now
See,
the key is this.
your key. Make nothing happen to my queue.
No, yeah.
Make nothing happen to my house. Oh.
No, nothing will happen. Even if the key lost, we go mold another one straight.
You be
No,
thief.
no, you no go lost. My person, you get to one governor wey talk say bikri. In bikri, anything wey you hold, nobody fit take am. That governor, I like am, I swear.
There your eye.
Ikri.
There your eye. Take.
I hope say fan and air condition dey inside the room.
6,000 I go take go buy.
Okay, sorry. I know. Don't be saying I know.
Go on to your room.
Oh, Madam Landlord, how you dey?
Which chemical did you use to wash the toilet and the bathroom?
Why be this?
I mean, waiting there inside. This not be waiting. I say make you take the wash toilet and bathroom now.
No, do you say make we use 3 chemical? Wash am.
Is this one 3?
I carry am instead of me to carry 3 chemical begin enter bathroom. I mix am together. And even I add 2-3 more chemicals with my sense.
Which chemical?
I add kerosene. I add fuel. I add battery acid. Madam, make I tell you true. E be like say all the people wey dey live for this year be like people wey carry big infection. You know now.
Hey, wait. True. Back to sender. It is you, your father, your mother, everybody in your family that is carrying infection. What kind of rubbish is that? That I and my tenants are carrying infection. Is that what you're saying?
I swear to God, to say no be you be the landlady in whom I am well pleased. I swear. I for tell you say God punish you, punish your papa, punish your mama, make your whole family die, make your papa die, make your mother die.
Ejinkonya, and you back to sender. Your papa, your mama, your wife, your children, everybody for even your cousins, all of them go die. Back to sender, now go die.
I mean the insult.
See, as I dey see you so, you no go last for this yard.
Back to sender. Use the back to sender. I don't report you back to sender. The time what I no go do for this yard again. Back to sender, you. Nonsense.
Get ready to pack up from this year by the end of the month.
End of the month.
Yes.
If you say you don't understand what I mean by back to sender, I mean back to sender. Now myself I dey talk to back to sender.
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 Say me.
Back to sender. Even if say make I talk am 50 times, as long as I no go comot by the end of the month, I go stay.
Your mama, everybody back to sender.
Thank you, your mama, everybody. See ya. Does it not be this natural they look? I swear. Wetin go give me for this house? Say the type of place wey I dey. Even air condition no dey for the room. Fan no dey for the room. I just come here, a whole me, person like me. Anyway, I know where I dey stay. At least if I open door every morning, I see that thing where I dey look. Now you go know. No, dey try this type of thing where I dey fit am with other tenants o.
Who pour this water here?
Nonsense.
What is happening here?
Landlady, I don't know who has come to occupy our toilet. I have stayed over an hour.
Hey! Who there here? out, oh! Even if you be ghost, come out, oh, before I break down this door and drag you out. You go still pay for the door.
No, sorry, I'm never finish, oh.
Come out from there! Come out from that place! I'll order my tenants to bring down this door and drag you out, and you still pay for the door. I said, come out! Now you. Hey! Make una listen, oh. As now this one come out from this place, anybody will enter there, anything where you should take. See the ooze where they even come out from there. Make nobody enter there. Oh.
No be your toilet. Who should talk like say I shit chemical?
You pass chemical. Now only shit be this. Now you cause am. See wetin you cause. If you know wetin dey good for you, come and see me in my apartment before you leave for work this morning. Otherwise, you will go and come back and see your property outside.
Now everything you go tell the threatening person. Now me make shame. Once they threaten you, you go to where they worry you.
This is nothing for carry hand up. See what? 5 hours. 5 hours now you there for toilet. What type of atomic bomb is the shit?
Timekeeper. You don't know as this compound be?
Hey, take me.
Anytime when you get the opportunity to use the toilet, just use am once. You don't know when you go get chance again.
So na 5 day on you go shit. See, make I tell you, if you know wetin good for you, come make we go beg landlady now. Because if landlady make mistake throw my property outside this house, if I lose sack you for conductor work, call me bastard.
If I piss, I go beg. Shit, I go beg. Very soon now you say make I begin beg for the air where they breathe. Idiot. You know, if not be you, wait till this can come back. You know, see me here.
I know say if not be me, you not force people when they. Not that big for the state. Idiot. See person where they help. Person where papa and mama disown. And they help you come here.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house.
Landlady, do what's up?
Do like say you don't know. Yeah.
I want one.
Collect my money for a hand. Do like say you don't know. Collect my money.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Enter! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, oh money.
Now. Hey.
No be us.
Now wow. So this is a motor they fit reach Oye.
I no go reach you.
I think say na only township service na dey do.
Abembe, kuna bring una money come out. I no come talk sorry for town. Money. You say whether you go pay? I beg you, I don't want any small thing that they will say person dey insult landlady. I used to go beg you pay your money.
I go pay.
I beg, pay. We know they stay free for your house. Pay now. This
I go pay. Everybody
you pay now. Pay.
No problem. I go pay.
You go pay. Your hand not dey move. When you want to pay am? See, I beg. No. Oga me pack. You don't want pay. Pack. This house, I go fit them. You not the other person. You not be one person. Pay. Give me. Take your change. Oga move, don't pay.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. No be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house.
Pepper soup.
Madam, where the apple now? Add 3 soup, oh. Miss am.
You want mix 3 soup?
Now.
You want purge? If you want purge, you know, go take this Epsom salt.
If you add 3 soup, that means say you get financial capability. If person see am power am, you go not send am money and take buy am.
3 soup.
Now.
I'm not gonna try am. See what I even won't forget. Oh boy, you get mine, dude.
How?
You know, I'm surprised when the time when you strong your face, say make I collect money from landlady. You look landlady for face, collect money for her hand.
When you dey do your business, you must tight face. No be our work we dey do. Na our work we dey do. Money must come from. If we no get money now, wetin we go take the shark?
That woman no go take that thing easy o. Na quit notice you dey carry place o.
Quit notice?
You don't know?
Okay, tell me now. Suppose the month end, you tell am say we no get money to pay in house rent.
That woman, she no go gree o.
Oh!
She no go gree.
Oh!
She no go gree.
We dey pay in house rent as at when due.
Na true.
So wetin we must pay our boss money immediately.
Na true.
Dey talk.
You know when I see your face, you say
collect money from me hand.
face.
And you
Madam, I beg, I don't want hear to give me my money.
You hard.
Give me my money. Which can't be that? I go collect your slippers. So give me my money.
You pay.
You know, to say we all this conductor to say we get union. Now me for the president now.
Waiting for color.
National Union of Conductors of Nigeria Association.
Federal government will just cancel am.
Why?
You no get meaning.
Why no go get meaning?
You no get meaning now. But when you come, National Union of Road Transport Drivers, power am, government approve am.
And that one get meaning. Envy. Now you go kill you one day. Envy. This association where I work from now, you don't dey jealous.
You wan form? People don dey conductor job before you come.
Pepper soup.
Madam landlady, good afternoon. You wan cook?
Bus driver. Oh, you have come back, eh? You see what I mean? What goes around comes around. You are now back to square one. You didn't remember you come back to this house now. I enter your bus. You ask your conductor to collect money from me. You have forgotten that you will come back.
Okay. You no go understand. Sorry. I shark very well. You know this type of our job. If you no shine your eye, you no go fit pass through anything. So that idiot to collect money from your hand.
You asked him to collect money. Even you told me direct that they should collect money from me after that you pay me rent.
Are they crazy?
Not really crazy. Madness there.
See that boy fit put person for trouble. You see him?
Anyway, that is not the point. You know the point? There will be a general meeting in this compound by 8 o'clock. So you have to be there.
Meeting?
Come back in time.
Meeting? I beg, no vex. I no think I go get times because I get small chatter what I wan do.
Okotoriba. That's your gura they fit go anywhere. How much more go on chatter?
Now that same guda na I carry you go you.
I did not say guda. I said gura. Jakajanti. Anyway, it's either you attend the meeting or you send your girlfriend to come.
Girlfriend, point of corrections. You hear am? Point of corrections. Now my wife no be my girlfriend. You hear am?
Bus driver, Ejigoni, you think I have not heard how you impregnated your ex-landlord's daughter? He now threw you and the daughter away. You think I don't know? I have the story here on my palm. Anyway, God, I thank you. My daughter has passed this level. She's doing 3rd year in Delta State University.
Daddy, like I tell you, my wife don't graduate. You hear am? Now because of that belle wey she get, now make her no get service. And that's why she dey do the service for my house now.
Onojie, that's her service for inside your room no go finish. Now every day she go there do how. I beg you. Go your way. 8 o'clock is the time, oh. Okay. My dear, welcome.
Mommy, how are you?
I'm okay. You didn't tell me you are coming home.
Yes, I decided to come back home because we finished our exam yesterday, so I was not doing anything at school. I decided to come and see my lovely mom.
Oh, that's very good. Welcome, eh? How was your exam?
Fine, everything is fine, Mom.
Landlady, you there?
Good day, sir.
How you there?
Good what? Here. Good what? Listen to me. There are people to greet and there are people not to greet. Some people, when you greet them, make greeting them, will make a girl pregnant. This one. Yes. See, we have new tenants. Later, I will introduce you to all of them and tell you the ones to greet and the ones not to greet. Carry your wahala, baby. What is good about this man's day? Morning, afternoon, night, bad. Welcome.
Mommy, let me help you. Mom, I missed you so much.
I me too. Welcome. This one you are carrying your box. You are staying long, eh?
This toilet now? Who locked this toilet? Hey, God no. Hey, now this third person go lock toilet. Who locked this toilet? I swear. As you make me carry shit for belle, now so the shit will tell your belle go turn to stone. I can see what type of yard is this? I mean, what type?
Get down. Somebody's dying here. You can imagine what's going on there.
It's not going to be better for the person who makes
Man, shit.
Who did this?
Who do this? It's too much. Man, let me get down. Let me cut down. Beg, go, conductor, please. Let me cut down. I'm dying.
No be you and your driver, man.
Make nobody put my name for this nonsense, so you hear them? If we investigate this thing very well, this is not be small picking mess.
Can motor be this? I don't go use mess killer.
I don't even play you. Can imagine as big as you are.
I swear, this kind of motor, I don't go use it next time.
I don't die. What I never seen in my life before. First time in my life.
Money to do not pay.
Conductor. How many people there for ground when never pay?
No.
Is it? How many people there for ground when never pay? No. All this person, they never pay. They never pay. They never pay. Okay.
It's okay, Mona, come inside our bed.
All right.
I said that you leave my country.
All right, that's it.
Oh my God.
Make I tell you now. This is a format as I be. I don't play this format for Lagos, play for Lagos. Even though you both sabi me. Make I don't touch you.
I don't tell you. Give me your shoe. For what? Give me your shoe. For what? For many cars. I can't.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house, Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, Madam Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house.
Ada, Adokaf. Ha. Okay. Hey, what are you doing here?
I should ask you
Wow.
I live here with my husband.
Husband. Anyway, do you want to take your bet or any other thing?
Yes, I did, but I guess the landlady's instruction is new instruction. Has taken full effect, so.
You mean my mother?
The landlady is your mom?
Yes, of course, she's my mother.
Wow.
Anyway, forget about that now. Do you know what we'll do now? Make use of our own bedroom. Then let me go in and talk to her. Then later, you will tell me what you are doing here, leaving your father's mansion. Okay. We'll talk later, so.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
The landlady is your mom?
Yes, of course, she is.
Very tough woman.
I do go. Later, you will tell me what you are doing in this house.
I know, but it's a long story. And don't judge.
We'll talk later. Are you down?
Yeah.
Hey! What are you doing there? You don't know what you're doing again. Eh? You have deaf ears, isn't it?
No, Mama, what is this now?
What is
this? This is unfair.
What's unfair?
This is unfair. Will you get back to your room? Ma, this is unfair.
Carry your bucket. You want me to throw it away? Come on, take this. Let's go. Oh my God, let's go. Mind yourself.
Ma, I don't like this.
Give me the key. Don't tell me you lost my key. Don't tell me you lost my key.
I didn't say anything there.
Let me go. Get another key and lock it up.
I don't like this for once. That lady is pregnant, for Christ's sake. At least you will respect the baby in the womb. Huh?
Pregnant? Which pregnancy? Eh? Imembuke. No bride price was paid on her head. Not even kobo.
Mama, that lady is the daughter of one of the financial men in this town. If you see their mansion, her father can buy this house 5 times.
I don't care. I don't care. Eh? Even if he's the richest man, it doesn't concern me. Then let her go back to her father, her rich father, and live in their mansion. This is my own mansion. Instead of wasting her life in the hands of one useless, wretched bus driver.
Ma, no condition is permanent. Change your heart towards your tenant. Because I am begging you. I am begging in the name of God. Unless you don't want me to be coming back to this house, I'll stop. I'll go to Asaba and stay with Uncle Mike. I'll go to Asaba and stay there. I'm sick and tired of all this whole thing. I don't like it.
Rubbish. Now you sabi, I don't care about any rich man. My own is enough for me. You can be the daughter of the richest man, I don't care. This is my own mansion. Anybody that is coming here must obey my instruction. I am the she that must be obeyed here.
As I tell you, I got comot. Yeah? But you get one small thing when I want report to you.
What is it?
The way your mama they take 3 tours for this place, I don't like him at all. Eh? No, let me be the first person who don't give woman belly for this world. Every time your mother go dey shout for me, like say I be small pikin. You see what happened the other day? If I say you wound my wife or you kill am, wetin dey for talk? Which mouth wey go take tell me sorry?
Jinkoye, it's alright, okay? Stop complaining. I've told you I've been talking to her. I came back from school to rest my head and all I'm saying is these things that my mom is doing and I'm not finding it interesting at all. Yeah. So please, I beg you in the name of God, forgive her, forgive me, forgive us. Forgive her. I'm begging you.
I dey forgive am every 2 minutes. Before you finish one, when I don't dey forgive, I don't dey do another one. For Bible, they talk and say 70 times 7. But here, I dey give 100 times 100 times. Forgive. Why it go be like that? Anyway, I say make I report to you. No problem. So that because you go to tell you another thing, you're not going to see us as bad person.
I understand. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
So
if Ada come, I go tell her say you come.
Okay, no problem. Let me go in and shake.
Okay, make me too. I won't go work. I just come back, make I pick something for us.
So take care of yourself.
No problem. Thank you very much. People don't understand. What thing they have, people no they know. They don't know. What thing concern them?
Chinekebe.
Hey.
Hey. What are you doing with my daughter?
Nothing.
Are you okay? Have I not warned you? You are going for pregnancy test right away.
For what now?
Hey. Have I not warned you to stay away from this man?
Madam Landlady, how you talk like this? This thing I love you, never ask yourself. You no go do am, abi? That one concern you. If you say you no go do am, leave am. But nothing go make me instead I die. Nothing go make me go pay for that toilet. Will be my rights. Now my rights with that, I get the right to shoot it there free of charge. You hear them?
What you're suggesting is not even an option, okay? I will not ease myself in a room that I will have to sleep in.
You say no be option? No be option, abi? Not even say you no go shit inside that place, but you say no be option. If you no shit, now me you go pity for. Me we go carry the shit, now you go talk about. If you say you dey tell people say, okay, you pity me, that one go dey.
What kind of a person do you want to turn me into? Seriously! I will not shit in a room. I will not ease myself in a room that I will have to sleep in. Fine now. If need be, worst case, I go into the bush and deal with my problem there.
Okay. If you like, if you say na bush with the auction, no problem. Go inside bush, go shit. But when you kneel down, something like snake do you for now, chum, that one is your business. But for me to come out the money, go pay for that toilet, I go die.
Ejim, you need to sort this out, okay? Because I still have to take my bath. Just sort this problem out.
That means that you still get the problem. Make you wait. I dey come.
Wait. We're not done with this. Okay, I'm still discussing my bathing arrangement.
I know say you never done. We never even cook am before you go begin done. Now the arrangement, now we dey cook. When we cook and finish, if we not done, it go done. Just give me time. Make I go. I dey come. Small time I go come back.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper.
Bros, why you stop?
I won't buy something, I beg. No verse, I beg.
You won't buy something? Now you do apologize. Go buy something. Okay.
Quiet!
So
I said I get where they go, fine, don't go, hurry up.
You the talk because I no charge you for overload.
What do you want to charge me for?
All these moving things wey carry full everywhere. You don't say na my tire dey suffer am.
I beg mom na hurry up, I want to go somewhere.
This one, na how much? This one go fit. I need to try am. Enter inside.
Oga, you get wetin you wan buy again abi na this bag?
Madam, if I no wan buy bag, I leave my passengers for inside motor come here. Enter, I wan try something. Okay. You get wetin I wan take and measure for her.
No wahala.
Okay. He walk.
Conductor, you mean say we go dey wait you and your driver? Una dey waste our time here.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
I'm going to work. Look at the time. All your driver.
See worker. You get work.
Shut up your mouth. How much?
Conductor, save my time. I'm going to somewhere, please.
Na 600 naira only at the
Only? 600 naira. You add only put.
Yes.
600 naira. Where person go suffer put? Now you add only put.
Hey, Oga.
If you say I no wan buy this bath, I go just come out. How you go say 600 naira only? Put only for my 600 naira. Wow,
Hey, Oga, no vex. Na stem t-shirt no dey talk am, Oga, beg, no vex.
make I advise you. Make you change your style.
Okay, sir.
Because if you no change your style, you go lose customers.
Abi?
Yes, now. Eh? How you go to say only? Know how many trips? When I go come back before I make 600 naira.
Oga, no vex.
You carry only put inside.
No vex.
Abeg.
No go talk am. Okay.
So wetin? I tell you should save my time.
Fast, abeg. Make you no go upload my customers. Do, make you no upload. You say, abeg, come and dey come.
You don't dey waste my time. Why you dey? Leave me. Wetin be your own? Wetin be your own? Look at you. Look at your belle. Only conductor wey you dey do for 7 years. You dey your belle. Look at am.
I don't give am money now. Wahala don start.
Okay, Oga, take, no vex.
You wan follow am?
What is it? What do you mean?
You wan follow am?
What is the problem?
Then shut up.
What is the problem?
No bother. Just no hurry. Do wetin you dey do.
No, doctor, what is the
Dey
problem?
craze. I no get respect. Driver wan buy something and dey complain.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house, Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, Madam Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say wahala full for your house.
Stand up, make come back. What is this? What do you think say be this? You don't sabi wetin baff be again. Eh? I don't bring am. The thing where you go ask me be say, make I explain to you how you go take the use am. You hear am? As you bring am like this, you carry bucket, put water, put am for here. You enter inside. You take cup, carry the water, you pour for body. No let am drop, make it make noise. Because if you make noise, the landlady hear am. Go sabi wetin dey happen here. Small, they take and they pour for body. You sabi how Indian people dey take bath like this. Take am. Yeah. When you bath finish, you clean body come out. The water, if you fit to throw am, you throw am. If you no fit throw am, you leave am. When I come, I carry am by my own self go throw away. You hear am? As I wan make this place self-contained for you, I wan make this room make it be self-contained. You go to bath, you go shit here, you go bath here, everything here. Na the same thing. Small thing, I know say you go get used to this thing. Na small, then the learner.
I will not use that to take my bath. I am not comfortable with it, and I will not do it.
What Wetin you dey do with table again? Now you don't talk about this one and I go buy bath come. You dey talk about table. Where table go enter for this place?
I said I am not comfortable with it.
I dey talk
What part of that do you not understand?
Now. If you don't want use am, leave am. I don try my best. I dey try make this place self-contained for you. You no wan here. You no wan take am. You go shit here, bath for this place. You no dey good like that. Okay. Okay, come on. Is it? Make I take am out. Something when I don't buy. Make I take am. Leave am here. There. If you like, make you bath. If you like, you no bath. Bros, ma check nothing for bank here.
Check. Man, I call that we not go again. Come, give me money.
Collect your money, oh.
Babe, just go there.
Give money, give me.
That money before I come out.
Where they go? Don't move off. What is this?
Which kind of company now? What is them for your eye? So no be Nigerian currency.
No, if I bring to go own.
Thank you, my check now.
Mercy.
See, I don't trust because this person.
You know what thing will happen? You go wait for us. Make I enter bank, come out. I fit carry you go anywhere where you want and go. Yeah?
You won't come change my destination.
I no change your destination. I say make I enter bank, go take that their light, check this money, whether the money good because the money on your face, I no trust them. Make I go use the bank light and check am.
Go check am.
Where I come carry my money they go now? That money no get mark, but no be say if you go come, I mean I come to the quarry again. I no fit quarry, I no fit shout.
She been a house I speak for here just now. No. Now Ghana he speak. That's why you know here when he talks say he won't go check that money whether an original. No, people, wicked people like you now they suspect person. We never even say that money now. No be counterfeit. You hear they make papa. No, just they pray hard. Pray hard say that money no backfire because what backhand where I go give you.
Yeah,
you hear me? Okay, now here we do. No problem. No problem. We know the things will keep on motor. What is that back you? Original. You check and well.
Give and change. Don't take your chain now. Your type of person don't fit them for husband. Now month you go take driver and come on.
Why you talk? Why that way talk? You don't say investment. As you look this person, you resemble who go to husband house. Everything they talk come out.
Nonsense.
Hold this thing.
Is because of this small money? Now take enter here. As I come up for this place, I carry big money for pocket. Now business I go do there here. Nonsense.
Give my money. Next time I
I don't want you. Before person enter here, make you mention what you carry. See this is not be two person. Eh?
Two.
Not be two now, without.
2 abi 3. One leg na one person. One leg na one person. The yash na another person. Carry you go where?
No, carry me go my destination.
You dey craze?
No.
Which time for report it down?
You go bring the address of your village. No, carry you go.
Now what transport I enter?
Na chata you chata this. Na chata you chata this motor. And now you are the one. And we not even check our tire before we collect money from your hand. Eh? See am now.
Ordinary person no go fit count am o. Even this boy they do census. If they see her, they go do mistake. I no try. Na 2 I count for her. I no say them be 3. You know, that's all the business is. Sometimes we go lose. This one na lose. We don't lose today. The one over take carry 4 people.
How many people will collect money from their hand today?
Anybody wey no dey live for this compound, make you use the gate. I want to lock up my compound. If you don't live here and you still stay here and sleep here, now the tenant wey you find come, now you go carry am o. The punishment na for him.
Bros, take style go.
You mention my name.
Must you mention your name before you know say na you? This thing what it takes small talk now. You go wan make we shout. Now they do am. Eh?
He will go.
The 500,000. That one will take balance for the new motor. Then that flat, at least I go pay for. I'll do all those ones in the morning, so I know quick come.
Bring them.
So the provisions now, bring them, come give you tomorrow.
Let me go and lock.
Go now before they lock this thing.
Almighty God. God Almighty. I beg go, you too much. You too much. If not be you wey give us moon to dey give poor people light. Wetin NEPA for carry our eyes see for this life. If not be you wey give air free. Just give some people. Give them 2 minutes. Say make them dey regulate this air. Make they just regulate am small. They go quench am. Witches. You? Abeg go, you too much.
Okay.
Nonsense. Waiting.
Go now.
What is it? Go now. What they worry you?
Okay. The only thing that take my money back. Now you carry stone me.
You dey mad?
No. You.
Wait, no. What do you want to do? See this guy. No. See this guy. What do you want to do?
You won't fight me with my own money again.
What do you want to do?
After the help, what they help you?
Who you help?
Okay.
Idiot.
Okay.
Sit back in now.
Now you dey cause all this thing.
No be you.
Me do it.
No be you.
Gate
man, heaven's gate.
Okay. You.
Abeg make I pass o.
Now you dey cause all this
First
thing.
of all, I am not your wife.
You look my wife.
Secondly, why are you screaming? You're not even thinking about his life. He's going to sleep outside.
And so?
In the car.
And so?
You no get husband. If you be better person, you go investigate wetin your husband and landlady dey do.
Okay, Belgium. Boss rat.
Witch!
Boss rat. Okay, Belgium.
Witch!
Wizard.
Woo!
Okay, Belgium.
Let's see wetin I take dey make shakara.
People who have houses have gone to bed. Those who are perambulating, looking for where to sleep. Okay, boss. Go and sleep in the bus. Does not have money to pay for rent, I've gone.
If he like, make it die. If that boss run now, business don't finish. If Nwoke dey die, I get another conductor straight.
So the boss is more important to you than his life?
Eh? You don't know? Now that boss I take the feed you. See am, wetin dey vex me where you dey na your grammar. If you know wetin this landlady dey do, why dey? Now you don't understand at all.
Did you call my name?
No, I dey craze. How I go talk to you like that? I no call your name. Yeah. You see wetin you cause now? Eh? Oh, you dey laugh?
Yeah, because you back all the time.
I back.
Yeah, like a dog.
Say I'm the dog. Okay, I go tell you say I'm the dog. Walk. Don't near me. Nonsense. Okay, we go see am. If Nwoke dey die, wetin concern me? How many conductors dey for this world? I go pick conductor anywhere. Motor bus wey na suffer, I do like this. Before I buy that bus. Let me say because of Nwoke, make I.
Bros. One chance to go.
Bros. Waiting. Bros, please make you help me buy handkerchief.
Which kind of message you that?
I beg you. Just help me.
I don't know. They send me those kind of message.
No verse.
I don't know but they send me.
No verse. Just help me buy. Thank you.
One chance to go. Hey, Anki.
How did you get this shirt? I said, how did you get this shirt?
This is the very last time I'm asking you this. Where did you say you got the shirt?
Not buy them. How did you buy them? From who you buy them? You don't talk. Waiting call me that one now. Okay. I said don't put your shirt. Huh? Don't put your shirt. Put your shirt. Move change. Put your shirt, make you wear my own.
Change to what?
Put your shirt, make.
Hey.
I know they joke for you. Oh yeah. You wear my own.
You be that arm robber. Hey, you be that man when you go threaten me. Go give me this shirt. I'm gonna you. Hey, you. I don't know whether I go rob. As you don't know, you go catch me. So they can come out my shirt.